diagram of spiral matrix. So let's read what spiral matrix problem states. Given a matrix, M by N matrix, written all the elements of matrix in spiral order. So in example, as we can see clearly in picture, like spiral is nothing but we are moving from borders like 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, 9 to 8, 7, and then 4 to 5. So input matrix is given as a 2D matrix, and then output we have to write in the form of written in the form of the list of integers. So let's start with the solution. It will be interesting. So we are going to return list of integer. So I will call it as elements in spiral order is equal to new array list, and they have given int m is equal to matrix dot length, that is nothing but number of rows and number of column. Int n is equal to matrix 0 dot length. So basically, as we will be starting from 1 to 4, this is nothing but if we consider this corner as a top, so like length of one row will give you what is the rightmost corner. So if you consider top as 0 comma 0 coordinate, then it will be like 1 2 3 4 4 elements, so it will be 3 comma 0 will be the end coordinate, so that will be a right. Then if you want to calculate like what will be the bottom, which can be calculated by like how many columns. So basically number of rows are m and number of columns are n. So we will consider four points. One is top, one is right, then bottom and left. Left will be at 0 comma 0, top will be at 0 comma 0, and your right corner as we are traversing towards column by column, so it will be like right will be your n and bottom will be your m n. So while if I write down top is equal to 0, four coordinates. So basically, as we discussed, like this is the top, like if we start from 0 comma 0 coordinate, so as we are traversing through the 2D matrix, every position will have x and y coordinate. So if we consider this position as top, this is right, this is bottom, this is left, so top and bottom will be top and left are 0, and then right, because number of as we calculated number of rows, so m is giving you the rightmost corner, and then bottom is equal to n minus 1, and then in left is equal to 0. So basically first we will traverse from left to right, then from top to bottom, then from right to left, and then from again bottom to top, and then again from left to right. So this way we'll be traversing. So how, until what will be traveling? While top is less than equal to bottom and left is less than equal to right. Basically, we will be traversing. So first we'll start from left to right for int index equal to left, index is less than equal to right, index plus plus what we are going to add here in the list matrix. What will be the x coordinate? It will be always top, and y coordinate is varying from left to right, so it will be index. And then as we want to traverse from top to bottom, so top we have covered this row, we came here, now top position will increase, so we'll do top plus plus, and then we have to start traversing from int index equal to top, index is less than equal to bottom, index plus plus, and in this case what will be the constant? Y coordinate will be constant and x coordinate is changing. So in this case index will be the x coordinate and y coordinate is constant, right? And then we have to start traversing from 11 to 9. We have to traverse from 4 to 12. So now what will decrease? Right coordinate should go by one position, and after that we will be traversing from int index is equal to right, index is greater than equal to left. So now we are traversing from 11 to 9. So basically we are going from right to left. So first of all, we'll go by one position and then we'll decrease the index. So basically in this case also our x coordinate is constant and y coordinate is changing. So what is the x coordinate here, which is the bottom, and y coordinate is the index. But like in naturally when we are coming from left to right, top to bottom, but in which case we are going from right to left, that is like when the top is less than bottom, then only it should happen. If top is less than equal to bottom, then only this should happen. And as soon as we complete this, our bottom index should go by one step above, like bottom is here, so bottom should decrease now. And now we want to traverse from 5 to 6 to 7, right? So from left, first of all we are going from bottom to top, so bottom has already decreased by one place and bottom is here. So if bottom is and we are in left coordinate, so only should go up if left is less than right. For index equal to bottom, index is greater than equal to top index minus minus. So basically we are going to, our y coordinate, our x coordinate is changing and y coordinate is left, right? And then our left coordinate will increase. And at the end, we are going to return our final list. What happened here? If I consider this and if I run this, then it will accept. So that is the mistake I made. Let's submit this. Okay, it has accepted. Thank you.